impresses me.
Skating gives me a funny feeling.
Funny haha or funny scary?
The Emotional Whirlwind is ending?
Right. Now, please stay in your seats until your Maliboomer comes to a complete stop. Wait for a mine worker to open your door. We did it, gang. We done it.
The Emotional Whirlwind is lifting off. Okay, so what that means is the spinning is about to start. So if that's your idea of fun, then yeah, go have fun. Oh, sure it's fun. It's like, oh my gosh, we're going nowhere. Remember, try to be cool.
You all look cool to me.
I don't know how to be cool.
Wow, thanks so much for screaming. You sure are an emotional bunch. Now please stay seated until the whirlwind comes to a complete stop. Then wait for one of our mind workers to open the door for you. Well, that wasn't so terrible. But you might want to check your hair, because wow.